Identify equal matrices. Two matrices are equal matrices when it meets two conditions. There are two conditions for equal matrices. One, matrix order of matrices should be same. Order means number of rows and number of columns. How many rows, how many columns. That is the order. Okay. So first we will check this. Order I will check. See, two rows. Okay. Two columns. So we will write two rows, two columns like this. Similar here also. Two rows are there, two columns are there. 2 into 2. Here see, two rows, two columns. Here you say two rows, two columns, two columns. Order should be same. I mean, number of rows should be. If you take this matrix, number of rows of this matrix should be equal to number of rows of this matrix. Two rows are there. Here also two rows. Columns should be same. Two columns in this matrix. Here also two columns. Okay. First I am taking this first one as example. So order should be same. So this is order satisfied. Two rows, here also two rows. In this two columns, here also two columns. So order same. Okay, this condition is satisfied. Next, another one is corresponding elements should be same. Corresponding elements. Corresponding elements means, so here 2 is there. Same position you take here. In this position, here should be 2. In this position 2, here should be 2. But here we have 3. Okay. Corresponding elements should be same. Okay. Here 2, here we have 3. Of course, here 2 is there, here 2 is there. But some people may think this is equal matrices. So this is very important. Corresponding element should be same. I mean, you have to, this first element 2, here first element should be 2 only. But here we have 3. So not equal matrices. I will take this second example. Order same. Here 2 rows, here also 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 columns. So order same, first condition is satisfied. Corresponding element should be same. So first element is 4. In this matrix also first element is 4. Second element is 3. Here second element is also 3. Third element here is 0. Here third element 0. Fourth element here is 2. In this also 2. So these are equal matrices. So these are equal matrices. These are not equal matrices. Okay. Thank you. Click on subscribe.